Hey YouTube fam, we're going to be working on the stall barn. We're going to be squaring it up today. Hopefully trying to finish that up so we can move to the next process. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. And we hope you enjoy this video.
Keep watching, because my mother will be making pizza, and in the next video we'll be superheroes.
Thanks for visiting us. Alright, so we squared off the barn and now we have to move all this hay because the cement bags are underneath. So that's what we're going to do right now.
I see cement bags.
Yeah,
Mom,
so we're going to go ahead and set you up so that you can watch us get this done.
Mom, can I show them?
Yeah, go ahead.
Guys, look, that's cement right there. I'm up here controlling the camera. Don't bully me if I do bad. I'm just 6. Did you see that, Dad? It's our dad. Chloe.
Make sure you keep watching and you will scroll.
Alright, we're going to be making homemade pizza.
We made hot dog pizza.
One and a half cups of 110-degree water. Now we're going to add our yeast to make sure that it activates just like in our roll recipe. 1 1/4 teaspoon of yeast.
That's me.
1 teaspoon. Now we're going to put in our sugar. Good job. Now, after you let your yeast have time to activate, which is about 5 minutes, you are going to add 3 1/2 cups of flour. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of salt, and we use the real Redmond salt. Makes a big difference.
Why isn't that pink salt?
Now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of oil. Olive oil would be the best choice, and what this is going to do is it's going to help make the outside have a little crisp, but the inside will stay fluffy. Alright, so then you're going to look at your dough.
Yep.
And you're going to see, is it too dry? Is it too wet? If it's too dry, you're going to add a little bit of water. If it's too wet, you're going to add some more flour. So,
Let me show.
what do you think, Cody?
Perfect.
Alright, so what we're going to do is we are going to actually, so for this much would make 2 small round ones or 1 really big rectangle. For our family, we're going to need 2 of these, so I'm going to get ready to do a whole nother one.
Are you still watching my mother make pizza?
Hello?
Hey, I got a question for you.
You know where I can get some seeds? I need to grow some stuff.
Are you making fun of my video?
No, I ain't making fun of your video. The yeast is giving off gases. That's why you have the foaming and the bubbles when you're proofing it. When you proof the yeast, that's what you're doing, proofing it, making sure that it's good, letting it foam up by seeing the foam. And then, so that gas from the yeast is inside the dough, and that's what makes it rise and fluffs it up. So if you take a roll pin and roll it, it's going to make it dense.
So there you have it. You don't roll it out with a pen, like a rolling pen, because it'll release all the gases and it will make your pizza like cardboard. So if your pizza tastes like cardboard, that may be your problem. But so you do, I can't throw it up in the air like a pizza shop, so I just keep kind of twisting it and stretching it. If it's too sticky, you just add some flour. And then once you shape it the way that you want, then you're just gonna put a towel over it. You can roll it and make a crust or whatever. Then you're going to just put a towel on it and let it rise for a little bit longer. So then I'm gonna put sauce on top and whatever toppings with cheese. So I put the toppings right on top of the sauce, so that the cheese kind of holds it down and it's not falling off. So you can do pepperoni, chicken, beef, sausage, doesn't matter.
Okay.
Alright, so now what you're going to do is we're going to do ground beef and sauce and mozzarella cheese, but you can use whatever topping you want.
I'll help.
Yep, you're going to help.
You have to say it. Ready?
For we are God's masterpiece. He has created us anew in Christ Jesus, so we can do the good things He planned for us long ago. So, whoever you are and wherever you're at, God has purpose for you. You are His masterpiece.
And a pound of meat for one whole pizza, and then the other one's just going to be cheese. Hey YouTube family, thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed the homemade pizza recipe, make sure you check out our homemade rolls recipe, and God bless you, and we'll see you in the next video.